baby, this is pink. Hey kitties, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Marilyn. I'm bringing you all things beauty, fashion, lifestyle. So if you like that, make sure that you subscribe right now. And let's go ahead and get into these new e.l.f. blushes. Okay, kitties, so right now on my face, I do have on just my base, which is the Fenty. I'll show you what I have on. The Fenty Beauty Eavesdrop Blur Stick, and I'm in the shade 21. So that's what I have on my face right now, and I'll do the rest of my makeup when we try on the blush, of course. But I do have on my base, lashes, and eyebrows, and that is it. So concealer and blush, bronzer, all that we'll get into. But first, let's take a look at these blushes. All right, so these are the 3 shades that I picked up. I just thought that these would look the best on me. These are the only colors that I was really interested in, so I picked them up. So I have 3 shades. So I'll swatch all 3 of them. Now on my cheeks, I may not be able to put on all 3. I think I'm gonna mix 2 of them, but we'll see. But I'll definitely swatch them so you can see what it looks like against my skin tone. And the name of the shade is, the first one that I have here is Coming in Pink. And that is this shade. It's a really nice shade. It has a bit of like a sheen to it, almost like not really glitter in there, but like a little bit of a shimmery sheen. So I'm guessing it's going to be a lot, you know, glowy on my skin. But this is the shade Coming in Pink, or Coming in Hot Pink. Hot pink. And the next shade that I have here is Very Well. Okay, and the last shade that I have here is Gorge Orange, which I always have to get an orange blush, because if you are a woman of color, dark skin, medium skin tone, an orange blush is chef's kiss on you. So this is Gorge Orange. Okay, so those are the 3 shades. We're gonna get into swatching them, but the colors look so pretty. I'm very interested in this because I don't have any like liquid berry shades, so yeah. Now with these blushes, they are, it says high pigment, and people have been comparing them to the Rare Beauty blushes, and I don't have any of those, never really been interested in them. So I'll just let you know, I can't really compare it, but if you have the blushes, then you can compare the colors. But I'll let you know what it looks like on my skin. Okay, my skin is oily, so we'll see how it works with that. All right, so let's go ahead and swatch the berry shade, okay, which is Very Well. I'm just gonna swatch it on my hand so you guys can see. All right, now it's pretty small and cute, but let's go ahead and, wow, let's open it. Girl, why can't I open this? It kind of sounds like it's cracking. Oh, got it. All right, so here is the wand, and the color is so cute. I'm just gonna go ahead and swatch it. Hey, this feels really silky. I love this. I love the wand. It makes a difference. So this is it. And that is the Very Well shade. It's a lot more pink than I thought it would be. Now let's swatch another one. All right, so we're gonna swatch this one, which is Coming in Hot Pink. Okay. I don't know why this is so freaking hard to open. Literally, it's been about 10 minutes since the last clip. That's how long it took to open these things. I don't understand why it was so hard. I almost didn't even want to do the damn video anymore because it was annoying. This one is called Coming in Hot Pink. Hopefully it's focusing for y'all. Coming in Hot Pink. Okay. All right, so here is the wand for, here is the wand for Coming in Hot Pink. It looks very similar to me, to Very Well. Okay, so let's go ahead and swatch it. Okay, so it's a lot more pink. So that is the Coming in Hot Pink. And I really hope it's focusing. I can't tell, but it's Coming in Hot Pink. Here is the wand for Gorge Orange. And I'm just gonna swatch that one here. Ooh, that is orange. So orange, love it. Okay, so these are the 3 blushes that I have. So let's put some on my face and finish my makeup. Okay, so I think I'm gonna do my blush before I do the concealer. I'm gonna go with the orange shade, okay? I'm gonna start mixing, or I'm gonna apply the orange, the Gorgeous Orange first, and see how that blends out. I don't know if, let's see, if it's really pigmented or not, but let's go. All right, so I put a little bit on, so we'll just blend it and see how that works out. Blends out really nicely on my skin. I'm definitely gonna have to apply some more though. I can see it like a nice subtle orange on my skin here in person, but I don't know if you guys can really see it on the camera. So I'm just gonna apply a tad bit more, but it blends out almost like a serum, you know, like a nice, easy, like a radiant, not anything too dewy and shiny, but it does have like a radiance to it. Blend it out. That looks really pretty. Can you guys see it in person? That orange is really pretty. This is pretty. I like it. I'm gonna add pink to it too, y'all. But let's just do the orange first and see how that goes. That's kind of a lot. But it blends out on my skin tone because I am a darker skin tone. I can get away with applying more and then just blending it out. But it blends out really nicely, as you can see. Ooh, so orange. I love it. Okay, I'm just looking in the mirror to see what it looks like, and I love the way it looks. I look really youthful, and blush does that. It gives you like a fresh, youthful face, and I really like that. And it depends on the placement too. So I just like to place mine depending on the vibe, because I don't really have much eyeshadow on, nothing going on too much. I like to bring it around right here on the apples of my cheek, up into like the sides of my temple, and then just blend it out. And that looks so pretty. I like the way this blends a lot. Okay. So how about we step it up a notch? I'm gonna add the pink too. Let's add the pink. Let's do that. Let's see what happens. Do little dots, because the pink was very vibrant, but this blends out really easily, so I can get away with a few dots. And also my complexion is deeper, so I can absolutely get away with adding a little bit more color without looking too much like a clown, because I don't want that. But ooh, it's pink. All right, so let's go ahead and blend it. Oh baby, this is pink. All right, let's just blend this out. And I haven't put my concealer yet, so that's gonna calm it down a bit as well. But let's just keep blending it. This is pretty though. I know I can make it work, so I'm not afraid of the color at all. I'm bringing it all around on the apples. Because I haven't put my concealer yet, I can get away with just applying it like this and not worrying about it looking like it's too much, because I am gonna put a little concealer over this part of it. But this is cute. Look at the radiance. It's like a little subtle glow. All right, so let's calm this thing down. So the color, the two colors matched, mixed. The Gorge Orange and the Coming in Hot Pink is gorgeous mixed together. You think I can add something else? You think I'm gonna just mix them all up? Let's just mix it all up, girl. I can do it. I can get away with it. I'm just gonna put like a dot of this though, like a dot. This is more of a pink to me. It says berry, but it's getting just pink. Look at that. So pretty. All right, so it looks a little crazy right now. So let's do the concealer, y'all. I'm gonna show you. I've been doing this lately, like doing the concealer after the blush, and I like the way it comes out. So the concealer I'm gonna go ahead and apply is the Born This Way multi-use concealer, and the shade I'm gonna apply is Chestnut. I'm gonna put a little bit on my hand first because this is a very pigmented and very high coverage concealer. So I'm just gonna place it with a brush first and then blend it out. You can see I'm sort of overlapping the blush. And now I'm gonna use like one of those velour puffs to blend out the concealer. I've been doing this. I've seen that the girls like doing this, and it blends it out like a dream. Okay, like a dream. I'm gonna show you. Okay, guys, so here is where we are so far. I'm just gonna apply like a little bronzer. This is my Juvia's Place dark bronzer with these two colors in it. So I'm just gonna apply like a little bit of that, nothing too much. I really love the way this looks. It has like this radiance to it that I really like a healthy glow. Now I feel like a little bit of the color got lost when I put the powder over it. Let's see what happens if I try to like go back in and add a little more. Like just a dot. This side looks fine, but this side needs a little dot. So let's see what happens when I go ahead and layer even more. Oh, it still blends so good. Even on top of powder, it blends like, it looks so much like skin. So this is it. I just added a little bit more and it's still beautiful. I want to add another one. No, this looks good. I'm not gonna, maybe just one dot of orange though. One dot. I like mixing the colors. Just one little dot. One dot won't hurt. So let's go ahead. It just adds the radiance back because some of the powder, you know, kind of muted that. So, but now the radiance is back. This looks good. You can apply this on top of powder. You can apply it directly to skin. All right, so let's finish up with lips. Maybe I can add some to the lips to create a combo. Let's see. I have some lip liners here. I have a brown lip liner. It's called Brownie by Sugar Scoop Beauty, which is my small business. All the information is always below, and a 15% off coupon code, which is called YT15, and you get 15% off your order, no matter what you order. So let's go ahead for Brownie. I'm gonna do a little lip. Let me scoot closer. Let me get in a little closer. I know you see how smooth that is. And I think I'm gonna take Coming In Hot Pink, and I'm gonna do the smallest dot on my lip. Like, and that's probably too damn much. But let's just use our fingers and blend it out. I'm just trying to put it on the inner portion of my lip, and then I'm gonna put a gloss. Actually, let me do another lip liner. I'm just doing a combo, so hold on. I'm gonna do, this is called Chocolate Strawberry. And it's also by Sugar Scoop Beauty. So that is the lip so far. And now I'm gonna apply a nudie gloss, which is called Nudist. Where is it? Here it is. This is Nudist, also Sugar Scoop Beauty Gloss, and I'm gonna put that on. This is coming out so cute, y'all. It's like a milky nude to put over that. I think it's gonna look so good. Okay, let me fix my hair and come back. Okay guys, so this is the completed look, and how gorgeous is this? e.l.f. very rarely disappoints me. I love these blushes. I love the finish of it, and I love how easily it blends. It's almost like effortless. If you are like a no makeup girl, or even if you're a full glam girl, this will fit in your routine perfectly. As you can see, I mixed three colors. They all blended perfectly together. It wasn't too overwhelming for my face. I love the way the finish is. You can see like a nice little glowy sheen, and I just really love that. It gave me like a youthful look. Let me fix my hair, girl. I was trying to move the hair so it's not all in your way, but you can still see, even with all this damn hair hanging on the side of my face, you can still see how perfect the blush is and how radiant and youthful I look after applying the blush, and that's why I love blush. Okay, now would I recommend these blushes? Absolutely. Absolutely. They're $7 a piece. I have 3 shades, and those 3 shades are all I need. I can use them alone. I can mix them, as you can see. We did a little science experiment and it worked out great. I use it on my lips. I mean, e.l.f. is just one of them girls. They do a lot of more expensive brands and then make it a little bit more affordable, and sometimes they do a better job. And I've never used the Rare Beauty blushes, but if they're any better than these, they must be like really good, because these are really nice blushes. As far as the finish goes, the formula feels lightweight, almost like nothing on your face, and it has this nice little like glow, and you can see the color on me, and I'm a dark complexion. You can see it well, and it's just, you know, I really love this. So let me know what you guys think. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Hopefully you go out and grab these blushes, because they're only $7 each, and there's several different shades. These 3 shades to me are perfect for dark complexions. So if you want to add a little color to your routine, you should definitely check out these e.l.f. blushes. Thanks so much for checking out my video, and if you like it, of course, subscribe. Don't forget to come back, leave a comment, watch another video. Thanks so much, guys, for buying in, because I look cute. I'm going nowhere but to go get ice cream with my son, but we're gonna be cute. I'm gonna be cute. His mom is cute. All right, thank you so much for watching, y'all. Bye.